guys! Welcome to our part 4 of our Temu haul. Let's get started. First item is this body whip with coconut. Bagay ito sa mga skin nyo kasi nakaka-whiten talaga siya ng skin. Tingnan nyo. Like, just put a little amount, then put it in your skin. Sobrang nakaka-whiten siya ng balat and moisture. So, get it now on Temu. Next item is this Read Me When. May iba't ibang kulay siya. Tapos may iba't ibang meaning. Kapag yellow, happy. Kapag thankful, violet. Kapag dark pink, angry. Pag anxious, light pink. Pag lonely, blue. And pag sad is green. Pipiliin mo lang is yung yellow. Pwede nyo siya basahin araw-araw. So, what are you waiting for? Download Temu and get it now. That's all for our Temu Part 4 haul. Hope you like it. Don't forget to use my code. Happy shopping. Bye!